Welcome to the Risk Lens with Dennis. Most people in Ghana interact with insurance without understanding how the system actually works. They buy a policy. They pay a premium. They expect protection. But when problems arise, they don't know who is responsible, who regulates who, or where power actually lies. Today, let's fix that. Insurance in Ghana is not random. It is a structured system with clear roles. And once you understand that system, you stop being confused and you stop being exploited. The first player, the policyholder. The policyholder is you, the individual, the business owner, the family head. You are the reason the system exists. But here's the hard truth. Many policyholders do not know their rights or their responsibilities. Insurance is not passive. It requires participation. When information is hidden, rushed, or misunderstood, problems usually show up later, during claims. You must disclose information honestly, pay premiums on time, understand what you are buying. Ignorance weakens your protection. The second player, the insurance company. Insurance companies accept risk in exchange for premiums. They do not promise miracles. They promise contractual compensation. Insurance companies do not promise to pay for everything. They promise to pay only what is written in the policy contract. Nothing more, nothing less. This is where many people in Ghana get frustrated, because what they thought they bought is often different from what is actually written. Their role is to assess risk, price it properly, pay valid claims, remain financially stable. Insurance companies are businesses, not charities. Understanding this removes emotional disappointment and replaces it with clarity. The third player, agents and brokers. Very important. This is where many problems start. Insurance agents represent the insurance company. They sell on behalf of insurers. Insurance brokers represent the client, you. Their job is to help you find the right cover across multiple insurers. Many people in Ghana think they are the same. They are not. When someone buys insurance through an agent and assumes that agent is working for them, misunderstandings happen. If an agent misrepresents a policy, the insurer may still enforce the contract. That's why understanding who you're dealing with matters. When a broker is not used where one should be, people blame the insurance company for advice they never actually received. The fourth player, the regulator, NIC, National Insurance Commission, NIC, is the regulator of insurance in Ghana. They do not sell insurance. They do not pay claims. Their role is to license insurers, agents, and brokers, protect policyholders, ensure financial soundness, enforce insurance laws. If an insurer collapses or misbehaves, NIC steps in. This means insurance in Ghana is regulated, not informal. But the NIC cannot change your policy contract after you sign it. Aside the players of the insurance system, another important part of the entire insurance system is the insurance policy document. Your policy document is the law of your insurance. Not what someone said verbally. Not what you assumed. Not what you heard from a friend. If it is not written in the policy, it does not exist. How the system fails in practice. The system itself is not broken. What fails is poor understanding, poor communication, mis-selling, cultural mistrust. When people don't know how the system works, every rejection feels like fraud. Knowledge removes suspicion. For instance, imagine a shop owner insures their shop against fire. A fire breaks out due to illegal electrical connections. The claim is rejected because the policy excludes losses caused by unsafe wiring. The shop owner feels cheated, but the system did not fail. The misunderstanding happened at the beginning, when the policy was bought without full understanding. This is why most insurance problems in Ghana are not caused by fraud. They are caused by poor understanding of how the system works. Insurance is not magic. It is not sympathy-based. It is a legal agreement designed to manage risk. When you understand the system, you know what questions to ask. You know who is responsible for what. And you know where to stand when something goes wrong. The biggest risk in insurance is not accidents, fire, or illness. The biggest risk is ignorance. Once you understand how the insurance system in Ghana works, insurance stops being scary and starts becoming a powerful protection tool. Key takeaway: insurance works best when all players understand their role. If you don't understand the system, you operate from fear. If you understand it, you operate from strategy. This is the Risk Lens with Dennis. Subscribe, because risk is everywhere. But ignorance is optional.